Hello, my name is Ruth, and I would like to help you learn new words in English. Join me next for Hello Word Power on Hello Channel. This is Hello Channel. Hello, welcome to Hello Word Power. My name is Ruth, and today we are learning words in English that begin with the letter P. Capital P, small p. The letter P is the 16th letter of the English alphabet. P is a consonant. P makes the sound P, P. Now you try it, P. That's correct. Are you ready to learn? Let's begin. Patrol. 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 You say it. Patrol. Again. Patrol. One more time. Patrol. Yes, that's right. A patrol is a person or a group of people sent to keep watch over an area, usually by walking or riding through that area at regular times throughout the day. The police officers patrol the neighborhood looking for criminals. Say it again, patrol. Correct. Payroll, pay-roll, payroll. Now it's your turn. You say payroll. Again, payroll. One more time, payroll. That's correct. Payroll is a list of company employees and the amount of money each worker is to be paid for their services. Payroll can also mean the entire amount of money that is paid to the employees of a business. Mandy will be put on the payroll the day she begins her job at the store. Say it again, payroll. Correct. Pearl, pearl, pearl. You try it, pearl. Again, pearl. Once more, pearl. Yes, that's right. A pearl is a hard, shiny, round gem, usually white or gray in color. A pearl is formed inside the shell of a pearl oyster in the ocean. Pearls are often used to make jewelry. The bride wears a beautiful pearl necklace on her wedding day. Say it again, pearl. Correct. Peel, peel, peel. You try it, peel. Again, peel. One more time, peel. That's correct, well done. Peel has two meanings. A peel is the outside covering or the skin of many fruits, vegetables, and shrimp. I like to remove the peel from my fruit before eating it. Peel also means the act of removing the outer covering or skin from fruits and vegetables. The child can peel the banana all by herself. Say it again, peel. Correct. Perfume, perfume, perfume. Now you say it, perfume. Again, perfume. Once more, perfume. That's correct. Perfume is a fragrant liquid made from essential oils, spices, and flowers. Perfume is made for the purpose of making a person or a thing smell good. Patty wears a lemony-smelling perfume, which she likes. Say it again, perfume. Correct. We'll be right back after a short break with more Hello Word Power.
Hello! The job market is a competitive place. In today's economy, extra skills mean a better job for you. Speaking English is the skill you need for greater opportunity, more money, and a brighter future. Introducing Hello Channel, an exciting new television channel that teaches English as you watch TV. There's something for everyone, and the more you watch, the faster you'll learn. All you have to do is say hello.
Welcome back to Hello Word Power. Are you ready to learn more words in English? Let's begin. Person. Per-son. Person. Now you say it. Person. Again. Person. One more time. Person. Yes, that's correct. A person is a human being, just one individual. Edward is a kind and good person. Or Cindy gives away tickets to the concert, but just one per person. Say it again. Person. Yes, correct. Pirate. 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 You try it. Pirate. Again, pirate. One more time. Pirate. That's correct. A pirate is a person who attacks or robs ships at sea. The pirate is hiding his ship in the cove, waiting for another ship to rob and plunder. A pirate can also be a person who uses or steals another person's work without properly paying money for it. The internet users pirate music from websites without paying for the songs. Say it again. Pirate. Yes, correct. Pond. 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 You try it. Pond. Again. Pond. Let's say it one more time. Pond. Yes, well done, pond. A pond is a small body of still water formed naturally or by hollowing and embanking. We like to fish in the pond by our farm. Say it one more time. Pond. Well done. Pony. Po-ni. Pony. You say it. Pony. Yes, again. Pony. One last time. Pony. Correct. A pony is a horse of a small breed, such as a Shetland pony. The small children must ride on the pony because the horse is too large for them. Say it again. Pony. Correct. Pool. 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 You try it. Pool. Again. Pool. One more time. Pool. Correct. Pool has two meanings. A pool is a small area of still water. Sometimes a pool is built for swimming and recreation. When the weather is hot, we get cool in the swimming pool. Pool also can mean to bring together for a common goal. The twin boys will pool their money so they can buy one big gift for their father instead of two small ones. Say it again. Pool. One more time. Pool. Well done. Poor. 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 Now you say it. Poor. Again. Poor. Once more. Poor. Yes, that's correct. Poor has two meanings. Poor is lacking sufficient money to live at a standard that is considered comfortable or normal in a society. The Smith family is too poor to afford a telephone in their home. Poor also means worse than is usual, worse than expected, or worse than desired. Poor is low quality and low standard. The teacher says Larry will fail the class because he does a poor job at his schoolwork. Say it again, poor. Correct. We'll be right back after a short break with more Hello Word Power.
Learn English while you watch TV on Hello Channel.
Welcome back to Hello Word Power. Are you ready to learn more words in English? Let's begin. Popular. Pop-you-lar. Popular. Now you say it. Popular. Again, popular. One more time. Popular. That's right. Well done. Popular means liked, enjoyed, or admired by many people or by a certain person or group. Mike is popular with his teammates, or rap music is popular with many teenagers. Say it again. Popular. Correct. Population. Pop-you-lay-shun. Population. You say it. Population. Again, population. One more time. Population. Correct. Population refers to all the inhabitants of a town, a country, or even the world. The small town had a population of 300 people, or a large percentage of the world's population would like to learn English. Say it again. Population. Position. 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 Now you say it. Position. Again, position. One more time. Position. Correct. Position has several meanings. Position is the place where someone or something is located or has been put, usually for a certain purpose. My position is right on this stool. The dancers must all be in the correct position before the curtain rises. The lid must be in the correct position for the jar to be screwed on tightly. Position also refers to a person's rank in relation to others, as in, the president is the highest position in the company. Position can also refer to a specific job or responsibility. Will you apply for the position of sales manager or executive assistant? Say it again. Position. Correct. Well done. Pregnant. 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 You try it. Pregnant. Again, pregnant. One more time. Pregnant. Yes, that's right. Pregnant means a female person or animal having a child or developing animal in the uterus. A woman is pregnant for 9 months before giving birth to a baby. Christine was excited to learn she was pregnant with a girl. Say it again. Pregnant. Correct. Product. 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 You try it. Product. Again, product. One more time. Product. Correct. A product is an article or a substance that is made or refined for sale. The talking doll is a very good product for the toy company. The toy company makes and sells many different products. Say it again. Product. Correct. Pulse. 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 You try it. Pulse. Again. Pulse. Repeat one more time. Pulse. Yes, well done. A pulse is the rhythmic throbbing, usually referring to a person's arteries as blood is propelled through a person's body. The rate of the throbbing is used to determine a person's heart rate. A person's pulse can be felt by putting your fingers on the inside of the wrist or at the side of a person's neck. The nurse checks her patient's pulse every few hours. Say it again. Pulse. Correct. Well done. You did very well today. Now, practice some of the new words you learned on Hello Word Power. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time.